Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by writing the decimal value you want to convert, for example, 37. Next, list powers of 2 descending from a power that just exceeds the number, such as 25 equals 32 down to 20 equals 1. Once done, make sure to stop at the highest power that is not larger than the number. This reduces steps. You do this because binary represents numbers as sums of powers of 2, and identifying the correct power. Now you work down the list. Compare the current remainder to each power of 2. If the remainder is greater than or equal to the power, write a 1 and subtract that power. If it is smaller, write a 0 and move on. Once done with one power, carry the new remainder forward. This is critical because each decision determines the next bit. Make sure to preserve the order from highest power to 20 so the final bit string maps correctly to the original value. Finish by reading the sequence of bits you wrote, from the highest power down to 20. That sequence is your binary result. To verify, convert back. Sum each 2n where the bit is 1 and confirm it equals the original decimal. If the numbers don't match, recheck your subtraction steps and ensure you included every power in order. Missing a power or misplacing a 0 versus a 1 is the usual error. Make sure to correct the single mistaken bit and resum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.